So, hi guys, thank you once again for joining us. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this perfect hairstyle. If this is what you would like to see, sit back and let's do it.
Slot beats, heavy records, slot all the beats. This one is done dead.
Hi people, thank you once again for joining us. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Maggie. Here is M&S Beauty Concept YouTube channel. Thank you all for your support, for your love, and for your subscribing, like and sharing of our video, and for your lovely comments. That is very, very important. Sharing your opinion on my video, I really appreciate that. Thank you all so much. Today video, I'm going to be I did my last video on the unboxing of these 4 bundles that I ordered. So this video, I wanted to record the making of this wig because I customized the 4 bundles wig to the 4 bundles wept to this wig. So I promise I'll be showing how I made the wig, but due to some technical issues, I was unable to record. I did recording, but one way or the other, the video didn't stall on my phone. So that was why I say technical issues. So thank God we are here now. So I'm going to be sharing how I will make the trimming. This is a fringe style, what some people call bank cut. This style that here will be short and the others will be long. I can leave it straight. I can leave it. I can make it also coiling. So it's very optional and depends on how you like it or how you prefer it, because different people have their styles of wig, how they prefer it, and yeah, and sometimes depends on the occasion. There are some dresses you will use, you really need a wavy hair. There are some dresses you will use, you need a straight hair. This hair is a bone straight. This is super double drawn, what they call SDD. So this was the 4 bundles. So this is the end, the fixing. It was a cycle eye, and I did also a video last year or so. I will be putting the link up there so you can watch the video and know exactly the measurement on how to get a bank cut, how to get a real also sew through wig or a all-round wig as is. So now let me put the wig on. My net is already there. Normally when I want to use a wig, I normally use the headband too to protect my frontal hair, but this wig net is also a very good one. So the wig was all through sewn. I sewn everything. This is a hand sew wig, it's not a machine sew. And down here by the upper neck, on top of your shoulder, I put the comb there. Sometimes I also attach comb to the side here, but that is mostly on wigs with a closure. And not failing the hairband. This hairband helps a lot to stabilize the wig on your head. And in cutting a bank cut wig or the fringe wig, we need the one brush, we need a small comb, a scissor, a little bit hair band. I have the coiler and the straightener. So let's get started. So guys, like I was saying, this is the wig. So it's done like that. So now I'm going to put it on. Normally you can as well do the trimming on a dummy. So because it's a tutorial video, I prefer I put it on my head so that every one of us can as well do it at home without having a mannequin. Okay, so I did a short video also on how to wear a wig. So you do like this, the hair band will go to the back, then you now flip the hair over. So after flipping, then you start the arrangement. So now I'm trying to put the comb that I put there to make it so. And important thing, the end of the sewing is there. So the wig is already on my head now. Now you try to use your brush to do the brushing. Here is the end point. After the brushing, you take your long mount comb, you do a shape cutting. The net is showing, but it doesn't matter. A shape cutting. A shape cutting. You see it? So the cutting have to be A shape. A. You know how to write alphabet A. Yeah. This is the A cutting. It's perfect like that. Then you not take the hairband and do the time. So me, I love my fringe to be very long. What I advise people is better you cut the fringe very long and afterwards you do the trimming when you like it this way, shorter or covering the eyes. Me, I like it to cover my eyes. You can cut here on top of your nose bone. It's very important because when you cut the first time, when you cut very short, it will be difficult for you to make amendment. That is why it's advisable to cut it very long. Yeah, so that's already done. Let me check here. So don't mind the wig net. Yeah, you see. So before cutting, I want to put on my coiler and my straightener. So it's already on so that they can be hot. So look at the length. So I'm not throwing this hair away. It will be useful for another purpose. You see, here is tied and I'm going to cut here. Important thing, don't forget the A shape. The A shape. So now I'm going to take it a bit up and do the cutting. So we are there. You see what I mean? So when you find out that it's too long or it's covering your eyes, you can still do the trimming. But me as a person, I love it long. Now you take your straightener, you do the curving. I love it long this way. So don't forget, when you are hearing my baby voice, please just enjoy it. When you are familiar with this channel, you see I did a baby shower. I did that. So the purpose of this, I'm going to use it to flatten the handy. That was the where the end sew take place. So I can also do some coiling. I like my hair a bit waving, but it's a straight hair though. I love straight hair because they are multi important. You can use it straight, you can use it as wave. Because it's a bone straight, it's difficult to get the waving. So I'm just doing it jack 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 jack. So guys, you see how is our outcome of the hair. So the trimming is really big. Like I said, I love it when my fringe is really long to cover my eye. Like I advise, when you want to cut your fringe, it's better you cut on top of your nose bone or here. When it's too long, then you can take your scissor to do the straight trimming so that you get your perfect side. Never made a mistake to cut a fringe like you cut it so deep high. At most time, after tonguing and all of that, you will not like the outcome again. This is very lovely. So if you love this video or you have any other question to ask about how a fringe is being cut, please don't hesitate to leave your question on the comment section. I will definitely come to that and answer to your question. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I remain your girl Maggie. Here is M&S Beauty Concept YouTube channel. Don't hesitate, share my video among your social media platforms, among your friends. And if you are new here, don't hesitate to subscribe. To subscribe in this channel is free of charge. Subscribe and put on the notification bell so that the YouTube will be informing you anytime we are uploading a new video, and anytime we are going on a live stream, and anytime we are premiering any video. For now, I say bye, remain blessed. I remain your girl Mengi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.